a great tournament. You know, it's a lot of experience and a lot of other cultures and groups around the world. And yeah, it's a pleasure to be here.
I think, having teams from Brazil, Uruguay, we're playing against a team from Chicago, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, and that's what we're looking for here. We were looking to get out of the Southern California bubble. We were looking to play teams that we would never usually play, and that's exactly what we're getting here.
I think the tournament's been great. Soccer's been great. There's a lot of new stands to check out, a lot of new things to try out, and a lot of people to talk to.
There's people from all around the world coming in here to Minnesota, and yeah, it's fun. I made some friends, I visited friends. Yeah, everyone's super sweet and having a good time.
Our takeaway is it's definitely one I would recommend to other teams in our club to come back to. I think it's a core memory, a bucket list tournament for sure. You've got to do this once in your soccer lifetime. If not, coming back, returning, at different ages. I think it would be a whole lot of fun to come back to. Pin trading. I have never seen anything like this sort of pin trading. The atmosphere, the energy, it's electrifying. There's a lot to do. We have to drag the kids out of the activity center to play in their soccer game. We're 15 minutes before our game and our kids are still in the activity center. It's pretty special to see all these kids, brave enough to walk up to a kid they've never met and ask him, where are you from? Do you want to trade a pin? And that's nothing like you'd see in California.
This is one of my favorite jobs. I get to work with the same team every year. My boss makes us homemade meals, so you can't go wrong with that. And it always brings a smile to everyone who comes here to the U.S. Cup.
It's a great tournament. I enjoy winning the competition and just the fun around it, all the activities you can do. Meet new people as well. It's the greatest tournament in the U.S.